What's up, everyone? Bonus Event is here going over our two trades that we did today on December 22nd, 2022. Monster day, had one 400% profit trade and another 1,185% profit trade. First was on Tesla, second was on SPY. And here's how we did it. So, first trade that we are looking at is Tesla. And as you can see, I alerted both of these in our Discord right from the open. So you could have easily got into these extremely easily. Lots of time to enter. But first was on Tesla. Wanted to get these right off the open. And we were looking at 135 puts. Why puts? Well, the rest of the market was tanking. As you can see, we had this big drawdown in pre-market. And it was opening at this 136 level, which is pretty significant given the prior day. And this is a big resistance level given the prior day's action. We wanted to do 135 puts because there are a bunch of easy support levels that this thing could have hit. First, I wanted to see it break 135, and then 131, and then all the way down here, wanted to get to about 124. So alerted these live in the Discord. As you can see, wherever I put this chart or wherever I put this photo, got in at $2.40, rode this thing all the way right down here. So I just hit 124, quickly broke, so it did go quite a bit lower and then rebounded. But as you can see, this 124 held. Now, why did we enter and exit at these certain levels? Well, I already went over the entry, was because it was gapping down and the overall market was red. So very high probability that this thing was going to have a down day. But if we take a look at the larger chart, so why do we pick these resistance levels? I'm going to move this for a second here as well. We have to go back quite a long time to this area here. So as you can see, these are the drawn out resistance levels. One at 135, another at 131.5 roughly. As you can see, it's hitting these are pretty significant levels. This one here at 126. And if it broke that, we'd probably see this 124 area, which is also very significant. I highly doubt it would have gone any farther than that. If it did, maybe this 120 and then 117-ish. But because the rest of the market was going to have such a huge red day, I had a good feeling that this thing was going to blast through the first couple of resistance levels and, hit this last one. It was also right around lunchtime on this trade. And that's usually when you can see market action start to die off. So that's where we took profits. Everything just coincided. But basically a perfect trade, 400% profits. Now, our other big moneymaker today was on SPY. So here we can check this out here. Again, the breakdown for the beginning was exactly the same. It would gap down huge. And it opened right at this sort of resistance support level or a significant level of 383. SPY was based on bad news. So the market sell-off was going to be huge for the day. So the analysis for what was going to happen is the same. We wanted to see it break through these significant resistance levels or support levels up to a point where, it hit a huge level of support after breaking a few. And so that's what we did. We entered 380 puts right here, right off the open. As you can see, alerted live from our Discord, so you could have followed along. Got in at 35 cents, rode this all the way down right to here at 375. Sold for $4.50. Actually sold right here, slightly before it hit 375, only because it was close enough at this point and I wanted to cash out and take profits. So 35 cents all the way to $4.50, 1,185% profit. Again, huge. But why do we exit at these certain levels? Well, again, if we go to the daily chart, so SPY opened right here at 383. And then the first level we wanted to see break was this 382 level. If it broke this, very good chance it dropped down to around this 378-ish level, which it did, as you can see here on the daily. 378. Again, big support level here, which it did hold for a little while. And the last one was 375. And we can see that I'm using this big red candle and kind of this one as well, but also this green one. But you can see there's so many spots on this 375 where support or SPY acted as resistance or support. And so that's more than likely where I was going to stop out today, especially given how fast this thing moved. So those were our two trades of the day. Tesla 135 puts from $2.40 all the way to 12 for 400% profits, and SPY 380 puts 35 cents all the way up until $4.50 for 1,185% profits. If you guys are not making these kinds of trades on your own, then join us in our Discord. We alert these things live every day whenever we see a good trade, so you can profit and make money alongside us. That's the video for today. Like, subscribe, comment, follow us on TikTok and Instagram and Twitter, and we will catch you all on the next video.